его в рот, нахуй! Ёбаный в рот!
Ukraine likely launched a Himars strike on the Russian-occupied town of Pervomaisk in the Luhansk region. Propagandists report that the strike targeted a concentration of Russian troops. The video author's reaction captures the full power of the strike.
Ёбаный в рот! Ебать его в рот, нахуй! Повылетали все нахуй, у меня и окна нахуй, все повылетали нахуй! Ёб твою мать!
Footage seen from the Ukrainian kamikaze drone combined with sound and footage from the Russian target. Should have stayed home. Russia uses such motor sheds for defense against drones and for assaulting the positions of the Ukrainian armed forces. However, the degree of protection, judging from the video, is questionable. A Ukrainian Yak-52 is hunting Russian UAVs. The plane's crew consists of a pilot and a gunner armed with a shotgun. According to Forbes, this approach allows the Ukrainian military to protect the country's airspace from Russian spy drones while saving scarce missiles. This is how we went today. 1 was killed, 7 were wounded. This red spot in the cockpit of the Russian Tiger M armored car was until recently a soldier of the occupying army. Now his comrades are crying on camera and filming the consequences of an attack by a Ukrainian FPV drone, which crashed through the roof of an SUV and had a blast there.
Пиздец, 1-200, 7-300 нахуй.
A Russian tank hit and destroyed by the 116th Territorial Defense Brigade's Solovey drone team. And this is brilliant. British Eurosceptic Nigel Farage was trolled with a poster of Putin during one of his election rallies, referencing his controversial claims that the West instigated Russia's full-scale invasion of Ukraine in 2022. Farage, leader of Reform UK, recently suggested that Ukraine should consider peace talks with Russia to avoid further loss of young men.
The poison that is being taught to our children. They are being told that the stories of Columbine don't matter. All they're being told are the bad things that we did in our history. And I'm standing up and saying, enough! We should be proud of who we are, where we come from. Someone at the Columbine Centre needs to get the sack. Are we agreed? He will handle them to make sure that that is the case. Go on, put it down. Rip it down!
During an air raid alert, Russian cruise missiles were targeted at Kiev. Ukrainian air defense was shooting them down. Remains of a shot-down missile damaged a residential building, causing a fire. Russian terrorism. Residents of the damaged building were trying to put the fire out themselves to help the firefighters.
Дайте сейчас скину.
10 residents were evacuated from a residential building in Kiev that was hit by the remains of a shot-down Russian missile, says Kiev mayor. 5 people needed medical help. 1 elderly lady was taken to the hospital. Rescuers were able to take a cat out. He was terrified.
Це якась порода? Дуже красивий кіт. А скільки йому?
Heartbreaking. Peter, hasta la vista. Fouché has died fighting in Ukraine.
Hi, my dear partisans and family PK. Some of you remember this day when Peter sit here and said that Tanya became an angel. And I need to say today that we have next angel. Previous Thursday, Peter was in front and he was hard injured. Very fast, he was died. He lived like hero and died like hero in battlefield, in combat against the Russian. Today I came to Kramatorsk to see him and understand is it possible, and in this time his body was arrived to Kiev. And Greg, Terry and Jenny helps us to arrange documentally and physically process. I wish to hug every one of you and to say that we can go through this together. I love you guys. And it loves you. Still, he was so ready because he said me after every time before front, he said, I'm ready. If God wants me there, I'm ready. But I know nobody of us, we are not ready. We have just to accept this fact. I love you and I wish to keep project in Pete's memory, in Pete's honor, to do the best. He got this promise from me, from Yana, from many friends, that we will not stop, because he will not stop. Protect us from the sky.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.